Namaste, this is Esnadi from Restore Your Life. Life from the forests. I am a kachea hey, I am a kachea hey, oh hey, a kachea ho. Blessings from the forest, the evening sun. I just saw a deer just jumping by. So beautiful and peaceful here, sitting against one of my beautiful big trees in this gorgeous forest. I love nature. I love Mama Gaia, to connect with her. And with this tree, it's like uploading and releasing, uploading and listening to the evening bird concert. It's really beautiful. Just become one with everything. You're the bird, you're the tree, you're the grass. Connected with my feet in the grass. So I'm totally like a wire connected through my body. Really amazing how it works. You feel that best in nature. So then you're not distracted by houses or Wi-Fi or any other lower energies. Much love to you from the forest, from Esnadi. Love you all.